Good morning! This is already my second week of vacation here in the Philippines. And right now, I'm back in my hometown here in Benguet. Honestly, after spending almost a week dealing with jet lag, finally naka-adjust na rin ako sa Philippine time. For the first few days, ang aga kong magising or minsan naman sobrang antok sa maling oras. But today feels different. I woke up around 7 a.m. and started my morning with a cup of coffee. Isa sa mga favorite moments ko talaga kapag nasa probinsya ako is having coffee while enjoying the view. Walang rush, walang traffic noise, just the fresh mountain air and the peaceful surroundings. It's one of the simple things that I miss whenever I'm away. Today is also a busy day in our area because it's graduation day. We live near Benguet State University or BSU and you can really feel the excitement around the community. Families are preparing, students are celebrating, and everyone is proud of the graduates who worked hard to reach this milestone. BSU is one of the well-known universities in the Cordillera region, especially for agriculture, criminology, education, and science programs. It's always nice to see students achieving their dreams and starting a new chapter in life. After enjoying my coffee, I decided to make breakfast. Since I'm back in the Philippines, I really wanted something that I really missed. Longganisa. Habang naghahanda, napansin ko na kulang pala kami ng itlog so bumaba muna ako sa sari-sari store ng kuya ko. The store is called LRS which stands for Luo Riverside Store. Kahit nasa probinsya kami, kompleto rin ang mga basic groceries doon. What's nice is meron din silang piso wifi which is very helpful sa mga tao sa community na gustong mag-online without spending too much. For those who don't know, nasa Luo kami, isang barangay sa Bugyas, Benguet. Known ang lugar na to for its cool weather, beautiful mountain views, and vegetable farms. Maraming farmers dito na nagsusuklay ng gulay sa iba't ibang parte ng bansa. Every time I come back here, na-appreciate ko talaga yung simple life at yung connection ng mga tao sa nature. Pagkatapos kong bumili ng eggs, bumalik na ako sa bahay at tinuloy ang pagluluto. Nagprito ako ng longganisa at gumawa rin ng eggs with fresh kamatis. Simple lang siya pero iba talaga ang sarap kapag lutong bahay at kasama ang pamilya. One thing that made this breakfast extra special is that I cooked it for my dad. Usually kapag nagbabakasyon kami rito, siya ang nagluluto para sa amin. He's always the one taking care of everyone in the family. Kaya this time, naisip ko naman na ako ang magluto para sa kanya. Before we started eating, sinilip ko muna si Krista. Tulog na tulog pa rin siya. So habang nagpapahinga pa siya, kami muna ni Papa ang nagsalo sa breakfast. As we sat down and ate together, na-realize ko kung gaano kahalaga ang mga gantong moments. No fancy restaurants, no special occasions, just a home-cooked meal, good conversation, and quality time with family. These are the moments that stay with us the longest. And that's how my morning started today. Simple, peaceful, and full of gratitude. Thank you for joining me on this little provincial morning routine. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye!